In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Lovable AI. This process is straightforward, yet it offers so much flexibility in terms of customizing your projects. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Lovable AI website, make sure you're logged in, and then access your project dashboard. If you're not familiar with how Lovable AI works, it's a platform that enables you to manage and manipulate images using artificial intelligence. It's perfect for anyone looking to streamline their image editing process with a touch of AI magic. Once you're on the main page, look for the specific project you wish to edit. You'll see a list of projects and you need to click on the one where you want to upload or change an image. This will take you to the project's main page where you can see all of your existing data and components. From here, locate the page containing the image you wish to update. This interface is user-friendly, so you should find it easy to navigate to the right section. Once you're on the correct page, look for the edit option. Clicking this will prepare the page for any changes you wish to make. Now, it's time to select the specific image you want to edit. When you click on the image, you'll see additional options appear, one of which allows you to ask the AI to make changes to the selected image. This feature offers powerful capabilities by leveraging AI's ability to enhance, transform, and improve your images based on your guidance. Next, you'll find a small plus sign, usually located near the image panel. Click on this and it will open up options to add new media. It's a visual cue that enables you to expand your creative possibilities by incorporating new elements or media files into your project. After clicking the plus sign, select Attach from the options. This will activate your device's file explorer, allowing you to choose a new image from your local files. Navigate to the folder that contains the image you want and select it. Once the desired image is selected, the fun part begins. Ask the AI to replace the existing image with the one you just uploaded. This step is crucial because it lets you fully maximize the AI's assistance to ensure that the new image integrates seamlessly with the overall design and functionality of your project. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a new image to your Lovable AI project. Remember that practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more efficient and creative you can become. Thanks for watching and happy editing.